So now in this video, I will explain you star topology. So first we have to take a switch. So previously we used to take a PT switch. Now we are going to take a switch 295024. So what is the difference in both? Now I will show you. So in this switch we have only 4 LAN ports. You can see here. So we can connect it only limited devices to PT switch. So for this switch 29, we have 24 ports. So we can connect multiple nodes to this switch. As it is star topology, the only one switch is connected with the multiple nodes. So let me show you. So this node is not required, so I am deleting it. Here select, delete, yes, delete. Now click execute. So this is in the center. Now I will show you how star topology will be. This is the star topology. So now I will show you here. So now go to end devices, take a PC, router, whatever, laptop, PC. So now connect the connections. So connections are done. Now similarly assign a IP address. So IP desktop, IP config 1.0.0.1. Desktop IP address here too. In this desktop IP address here 3. Top IP address here 12. Sorry. Desktop IP address 1. So now close. So it is in simulation mode, delete. So all there is no packet now. So now take a message from here to here. Now start simulation. Simulation is done. And another way we can check the whether link is established or not. So this is the IP address. So now in this open desktop. So close this. Open command prompt. Type PING ping and that IP address 1.0.0.5 and wait. How many devices are connected? We will be knowing. Will take a time nearly 3 to 4 minutes. Now, so it will be display here. It is taking too much time. So I will show you here. So previously I have designed here and here how the output will be. Whether connection is established or not, we can see through this command thing. So yeah, so we are done with star topology.